Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So I'm fighting the fuel leak with the OM3 hat again. So I ended up ordering from Lethal Performance, I ordered the Division X hat. So we're gonna get that swapped out, take care of our fuel leak. Got some new SB, I think they're SB, S&B turbo filter guards. Instead of turbo, I have them inside, I'll show them to you. They're just turbo guards. We're gonna get rid of the filters. And then fire the car up, make sure there's no more fuel leaks. That'll be our last fuel leak we tackle. I just couldn't get the OM3 hat to seal. Tried everything and nothing wanted to seal. Tried marine epoxy, the steel stick, metal tank that's supposed to be ethanol safe. Well, the ethanol was leaking right through it. So we're gonna swap out to the Division X hat and then we'll get rid of this OM3 hat. So let's get started. Alright guys, we got it all back together. Everything is rewired with the harness from Lethal. This is for I put in a connector for my fuel pump, fuel level. So, just gonna slide it into place. And then we will get our wires over there. Alright, so we got our fuel level sender wired up, secured to the pump. So we'll go throw the pump in the car and hopefully it works.
Look into my eyes and show me adventures I haven't seen. Taking all the life, it hits the spot. Walking on fantasy. So take me, baby, take me to a state of mind that's made of, baby, that's made of all that we find.
Alright guys, we got the fuel pump in, everything is running fine. Got no fuel leaks, which is a good sign. So, that'll be it for today. We didn't get to the filters. Took a little longer. Had to rewire everything. But yeah, that's pretty much, that's the easiest thing you can do. Taking it out and putting it back in isn't hard at all. The clips, if you break that clip for the siphon tube for the other side of the tank, you can get them at O'Reilly's. I had to buy a replacement. But yeah, everything's running good now. We have fuel pressure. Our fuel pressure's back up. It was dipping down a little lower than it was supposed to. So, but yeah, the car's running good now. Next video, hopefully our clutch gets in here. We'll do our clutch. Drop the trans, do the Amsoil cocktail too. I got the synchro mesh and the gear oil, so that'll be on the list. But yeah, thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Tracks are just starting to open by me. Test and tune. They're cutting the price back down to normal. I guess a lot of people probably weren't going. So we'll be hitting the track and seeing what this thing can do. So remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.